Hello again. In our last video we were talking about the planet Sun and photos about it and where I thought the location of the MAYAS planet might be in relation to that. Now if we go to our next set of notes, this one's called, this is part 38, it's called Celestial Poles Spear, Wow, SETI, MAYAS, Star Chart, Pentacles of King Solomon Theory. So I've put it all together. So as of January 6, 2012, I started this research on this particular topic, December 26, 2011 at 12:47 a.m. And what I got is January 6, 2012 update. What I put is things called my thoughts. So when you see the words my thoughts, it's my thoughts on what the research that I found and what it means, okay? So I just started updating my notes and my music player comes on. Guess what plays? The pop rock band Panorama song Venus. Words that stand out to me in the song while it plays. Words, she's got it. I'm your Venus, your fire, your desire. Weapons equals crystal eyes. In another video I'll talk about the crystal skulls, how to activate them to protect Earth from large asteroids and planets that might be colliding with this. You know, this makes me feel good when my computer plays a song to me. It's like someone's giving me a message that I'm on the right track here somehow. Only believe, you never know. Okay, so over here, December 26, 2011, my thoughts. I want to know if the Pentacle of Solomon Star is rotated to the left to fit coordinates found on the north-south celestial pole star charts to the left. Will they you can tell I did this in the middle of the night, right? Can they match with the celestial spheres I found during a Google search? Okay, so what that means is, remember the star that I drew over here? And the MAYAS star looks the same, only it's flipped over to the right, so that these 2 points are over here and these 2 points are over there, right? So my theory is, if I flip them, sorry, I'm getting lost here. If I flip them onto a celestial chart, yeah, damn, I keep writing 2011, it's 2012. I had to keep fixing that through all these videos here. Okay, so I found this star chart here. It's called the North Celestial Pole. And it's got the South Celestial Pole. I don't know if you can see that or not. But it's got vernal equinox, ecliptic, celestial equator. I have no idea what these terms mean. But you see there's all these little degrees marked here. 20, minus 20, minus 30, minus 40, minus 50. And above 0, plus 10, plus 20, plus 30, plus 40, plus 50, right? So the yellow is the star that I flipped. I flipped it using my, flip program, rotate program. And then I put it on here in the coordinates that I thought the numbers would match up with the numbers that are listed here. Saturn, Jupiter, Mars, Venus, and stars. See how I flipped it and put the numbers beside it? Okay. And then I section off the area where I think that the MAYAS might be. Then you see the star formation here? I had to look it up to see where it was located, which I do in another video to show you what the area is and where I figure out where the planet, where I think the planet is. Okay, so my thoughts here are, I'm taking the star symbol from my, January 6, 2012 at 8:10 p.m. I wrote this. My thoughts here, I am taking the star symbol from my meditation and rotating it about 90 degrees to the left. So I moved it to the left 90 degrees from down here. And if we stretch it and place it over top of this celestial pole chart, I have on the left here, it's showing that star sign there in the middle of the purple and yellow lines where I've marked the approximate locations of Saturn 11, Jupiter 13, Mars 45, Venus 7, and Nibiru 4, Marduk, or stars of Elam. I still haven't the foggiest idea where these things are located. If you can suggest which set of stars to look at in Google Sky, I'd appreciate it. Give me the hours, minutes, and seconds. I'll bless you for helping me. Just so you know, I have found some of these star charts since then. It's now January 12th, 2:35 p.m. when I'm filming this. So, you can still help me if you want to, though, because I don't know too much about stars. So, I made some notes here. 3,000 years, ancient MAYAS, ancient ways. This was the way that they would have put their star, the MAYAS. And then I rotated the numbers to go differently, too. So, notice I flipped a star, Saturn and Jupiter, the way the ancient MAYAS chart would see the planets over 3,000 years ago. So if you look at their star chart and ours, it's actually has flipped, which means the planets have changed where they are located according to what they had 3,000 years ago in their star charts, which is quite interesting if you think about it. So either the planets have flipped or somehow Earth's moved. I think Earth has moved because when our axis is rotating right now, I am going to do a video about that in the future, showing how our axis is rotating and changing in 2012, and it's also I think it's going to change the orbit of Earth. I haven't proven the theory yet, but I'll get to it. As you know, I got like 100 videos now about this. This is crazy, right? I started with 5 videos and I went with 100. Yeah, I have 100 videos to film, seriously, about all this stuff, so it's pretty cool. Hopefully you guys don't mind watching it. Okay, so this is the star that I originally had, and M in the middle is going to stand for Maya, where I think they are. Okay, so this is a picture of the solar system that I found on the internet. It shows the different planets. I wanted to see where they're located. Now, they don't all line up like this. They actually go around the sun, and they're great big circles, and I'll show you that in another one. Okay, so over here we said 70s, the WOW alien SETI signal. Back in 1977, August 15th. It was found in the region of Sagittarius. See, all these little buckets keep popping up. Okay, so we'll use a pen instead. This is my little star that I put here. And what I did was I lined it up somehow. I'll show you. So we get Sagittarius. Oh, because I think Pegasus is over here, and Pegasus is where I've assumed that they are located. So I put my star over in the Pegasus region to line it up with... Oh, there's that star formation down there. I got the wrong one. Okay, so this should be moved down here. Unfortunately, I was moving stuff around and I didn't really pay attention to where I put it. So it actually should be down just a bit over here. See this star formation? That's the same one that I found in that chart thing over here, right? The celestial thing. See how it looks like that over there? Oh, that's why Virgo came up. Okay, now I get it. You learn as you go along, right? There's Virgo. Okay. Okay, so down here we go to my thoughts. January 6, 2012, 8:15 p.m. Back in December, I didn't know what this star meant. And then I found out while deciphering the WOW SETI signal that they got the alien radio transmission from the Sagittarius region, which is over there, right? My region is east of this, and I was trying to pinpoint where the MAYAS planets might be in the Kepler region. Kepler region actually has just been picked up by the Kepler satellite at the end of 2011. They made it public. SETI's done videos on YouTube, so if you look up SETI Institute, you can actually track their progress, because it looks like every week they're doing some sort of news report thing. But since there's no star chart showing exactly where the Kepler region is, I wish you guys would put one up for me. That would be cool. I honestly don't even know if I'm in the right area at all. So what I'm basically saying is I don't even know if this area over here, if the Kepler region's in that area or not. I'm just assuming it is. Okay, so I could be completely off here. Forgive me if I am, but I am. I've never done this before, so. But it's an interesting thing that I come up with. Interesting where the star is, though. Stay tuned in videos after number 38. So this is part 38. Oh, it's after this video. You'll see some more. Okay. For details of locations of planets and stars, I find using Google Sky. And I don't even know if they are planets. They look like planets to me. I could be wrong about that as well, but, you know, we're going to have some fun with this, right? I found some cool stuff on there already, but I'm doing research on how to name it. List it and let you know all where to look for it. I am so green here, eh? Okay. So, in this region here, what we're looking for is the star Pegasus region. I think the MAYAS are there, and M15, I found that, and Homan is the name of a star that's in that district. And I'll show the exact coordinates in another video, okay?